Hi everyone, I'm Michelle at Serendipity House in Southern New Hampshire. We're going to be using the 8-page Iron Orchid Designs transfer called Rose Botanical. It has got some beautiful, dusty colored, vintage looking florals. We're creating this beautiful window decor. We're going to be using some resin today with UV protection to prevent your transfers from fading in the sun, whether it be inside with direct sunlight or outside. You need to have a top coat with UV protection. Follow along and I'll show you step by step how it's done. Start by cleaning your glass with rubbing alcohol in a lint-free cloth. Now I'm looking through the transfer so I can choose which designs I want in my window. This is an 8-page transfer and I'm only going to use a small portion for this project. One thing I love about these transfers, 100 people can make something, but no two projects are going to be the same. Once you've chosen your layout, remove the backing from the transfer and place it on your glass. Rub gently with your hand and then gently with the application stick to remove the applique. Try to get a pocket of air or an air bubble between your stick and the transfer sheet. Catching the wave, as we call it, will help the transfer release. Now it's time to seal. I'm using Amazing Clear Cast resin with an UV protection. It's important to read and follow the directions precisely. In a nutshell, it's a 1-to-1 ratio. It needs to be stirred very well and then poured over your clean surface. You have some working time, so you can tilt your window to spread it out. You can even use a silicone stick and spread to areas where the resin may not have gotten to. Use a heat gun to pop the bubbles. Leave this to dry in a dust-free environment, and when you come back tomorrow, voila, a beautiful piece of art. I hope you enjoyed this project. You can find everything I used in this tutorial and more on my website, serendipity.house. Happy creating.